or the other day the life on earth will be surely extinguished. Because there are many reasons which can be explained for this extinction of the life on the earth. One of them can be deforestation. Coming to the one point, we are very lucky enough to say that God gave us sensation power. Rather than sensation power, He gave us the expression power, which the plants they cannot express. You see, whenever we speak to someone or someone speaks to us, or when we face some touch by someone, we can feel that and we can show the expression of that touch. Just pinched him. You see the pain he felt in that just single pinch. He is able to express that. The pain he felt, he could express that. But you pinch or pluck some part of a tree and see, can it express?
Won't.
Can it express?
No, it won't.
So, see the difference of the creation of the God. God gave us such a very good knowledge and very expressive power and everything. Everything we have, rather compare any organism, any creative on the world. Nothing is better than the human being. Human has everything. Everything is in our own brains. As Sir said, God's all kept all the power in our minds and left us like that. It's on our own ability to develop all those things. Yeah, even if you pluck a rose flower from a tree, the rose flower, how much beautiful that plant will be with a rose, and remove that flower and see the plant, how it will be. At my native place, my home, if this room is compared with my home, half of the home is building and half of the home is garden. I forced my dad to keep that half of the place as that garden itself, because whenever you are sad or something, when we are in depressed manner, if you see the plants, greenery and everything, flowers, everything, you will be out of the tensions. You can forget everything and move into a peaceful environment by seeing all those flowers and those plants. Such a great culture of India is that we'll grow Tulsi. Tulsi is the culture of, according to Hindu tradition, Tulsi will be there in every home. Such a good tradition we are having, so that tradition we are able to follow, but we are going to deforestation nowadays. If you compare the old age culture, Ashoka was the one who planted trees along the roadsides. But now we are going on destructing the trees along the roadside. Is that good? It's not at all good. Now we are facing the problems of rainfall is not there, and everything. The prices of the pulses are going. Perfect example of the present day situation is that the price of the pulses is going. That is because the production level of that pulses is very low. So the price level has been increased. That the remedy for that can be the rainfall. All those. Everything is correlated in our environment. So the main purpose, the air we take inside comprises oxygen. That oxygen can be the source of that oxygen is the only on the earth is of trees. Trees are the only source that they can give out oxygen, and they can take in carbon dioxide, which we are leaving out. If trees are not there, the entire earth will be of global warming. Only the earth goes on, it will be heated up, and never, we can say that within 10 to 12 years the life on the earth can be surely extinguished. So in order to live our life, our own life, we need to take care of plants, trees and everything. I will not say that deforestation should not be done, but afforestation should be done. Where we can put our plants or grow trees, that we'll do. Nowadays the forest department is not so interested in the development of forest and everything. Each and not only those forest departments, everyone, it's our own responsibility to develop our country. Develop ourselves. To develop ourselves, we need to develop all the requirements which we need. Even for every birthday, we'll celebrate our birthdays every year in a different manner. So one thing, from many days, many people will tell that you plant a tree on your birthday. If we do that thing from even పోనీ మనం మన తెలివి తెలిసినప్పటి నుంచి చేసినా కూడా అట్లీస్ట్ 5-6 years ఏజ్ నుంచి చేసినా కూడా ఇప్పటికి మనం అట్లీస్ట్ 15-20 ట్రీస్ అందరం ప్రతి ఒక్కరు నాటే ఉండాలి. కానీ నేను కూడా చేయలేదు, మనం ఎవరం కూడా చేయట్లేదు. కానీ మనలో ఆ చేంజ్ వస్తే మన కంట్రీ మనం డెవలప్ చేసుకొని మన ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ మనం డెవలప్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళం అవుతాం. సో మనం నవ్వుతూ చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు నవ్వుతూ ఉండాలి, అంతా సంతోషంగా ఉండాలి అంటే మనతో అయ్యేవి మనం చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. అది కావట్లేదు అనే దాని బదులు మనతో ఏదైతుందో అది చేస్తూ వెళ్తే పీస్ఫుల్గా హ్యాపీగా లైఫ్ అనేది మీనింగ్ఫుల్గా ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ to take care about the surroundings, not only in the case of plants and environment, but in every aspect of your life. Be sure that whatever you do, it's in a right path, such that no one should be able to point out you. Thank you so much.